Check out this amazing sticker book. You would never know they are stickers. Yes, check out is one phrasal verb that we're going to look at today. We are taking a look at phrasal verbs beginning with C. So, check out means to look at or to focus your attention on something. For example, check out that amazing sunset in the distance. It looks beautiful. The next one is carry on. And this means to continue doing something. For example, despite all the difficulties, they carried on with the project. Clear out. This means to remove all of your things from one particular place. For example, I can say I need to clear out all of these things, to vacate the room. Sometimes if you've got a messy cupboard or closet, you can say, I need to clear out my closet. Let's have a look at this example. They had to clear out the room before the painters came in. You don't want to get paint all over your stuff. Close down. And if you're in England, you will probably see these close down sales everywhere. But do they really close down? Not sure. This means to permanently stop business. For example, the shop closed down because the owners were too old. The next one, come across. Now the pronunciation is a little tricky because it's quite quick. Come across. Come across. This means to find something unexpectedly. We can actually combine this with another phrasal verb that we've just used. For example, when I was clearing out my cupboard, I came across an old school photo from when I was 7. The next one is cut off. This means to interrupt or to stop something or to disconnect. For example, while I was talking on the phone, it suddenly cut off. We can also use this with family members if we want to stop talking with them or having contact with them. We can say, I cut off my uncle last year, meaning I don't talk to him anymore. The last one is cool off. We can use this in the case of to become calmer or less angry. For example, I went for a walk to cool off after the argument. Now, let me know in the comments some of your examples. I will be really interested to see how you can use these phrasal verbs. Don't forget to comment, share, and like the video.